Need to block someone from viewing or interacting with your content on TikTok? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to block someone on TikTok. Now let's get started. Open TikTok and go to the profile of the person you'd like to block. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. In the menu that appears, tap Block. To finish, tap Confirm. This user will then no longer be able to see your content or interact with you on the app, and you won't be able to see their content either. You can easily unblock them if you change your mind by tapping the three dots and selecting Unblock. That's all it takes to block someone on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.